Yesterday, the ThinkMarkets team had an interesting conversation with the trading community, and we had a few comments back and forward in regarding to Bitcoin with another member, and we wanted to provide our view on Bitcoin today with this update. So the other person said, look to be bearish Bitcoin, and for now it seems to be working fine. Bitcoin is indeed moving to the downside, and if we would squarely focus on the technicals, then yes, it doesn't look too great because you have clear divergence here in the RSI. The RSI is clearly pushing to the downside, and this is all happening at elevated levels compared with here. So maybe we need to go all the way down towards RSI being properly oversold potentially. But yeah, we have a bit of a divergence here happening. And also from a technical point of view, we're stuck in a descending triangle or so if we ignore this level here. Now, what could make us give up on this bearish view? Well, I would say is this. So, as you might remember, in January, Trump ordered a crypto working group to be established. They would draft new regulations and explore national stockpile of cryptocurrencies. And we already know Trump, he has his own meme coin. And if he would properly unleash crypto that would allow, for example, companies to raise more money, like ICOs, like we used to have a couple of years ago, but also other more clear directions, and then that could easily cause crypto to push to the upside. And this is coming to an end very soon. So roughly, I think it's the 23rd of July. The period would have passed where they needed to propose their ideas. And right now, it's not much talked about. But what I'm looking for is I'm looking for comments where we start to see that this might be happening or rumors as we're approaching these deadline. So it's looking very interesting from that point of view. It could be something that could transform the industry in a massive way and could potentially be very dramatic given the way Trump likes to be dramatic. And that's why I would pay very close attention to that news because whenever that happens, if it happens, it will just everybody would just forget about this and technicals wouldn't matter too much in those very first few days. Now, what I'm looking for is that if we look at this right now, then yes, it looks like it wants to trade to the downside. So I'm not buying. In fact, I've been in stable coins myself for the last, I think it's the last 20 days or so. And I would potentially look to buy on a break to this high here. So this is the June 10th high at 10,694. So break here, lift above the all-time high. And ideally, it would happen either on rumors that something is about to happen or on the actual news that they are going to deregulate and people liking what they're seeing. So that's our take on Bitcoin right now.